to set the minimum. I put the set minimum on 0.8. I rather prefer right now I put it on 0.6. No, I think I could cut this. Let's adopt a static occlusal. Yeah, it's gone. And now I have some problems. In case that you want to be a perfect designer, you should do these pieces with oh, sorry. And this part is new. I like this. That shows you the part that you are going to change. Because right now I have problem with uneven margin origin. It gives me the foot impaction. So I put this up. Oh my gosh, we have some problem over here. And here, of course, we have the same problem again. But the most important part is with the neighboring tooth. Okay, it's better. Okay, now I hold the shift on and yeah, everything looks good, but I prefer to have this cusp tip a little bit up and this one a little bit up. Maybe I have some intrusions again. Yeah, of course I have. And I want to have this a little bit soften. Okay. Okay, I do the cut intersection again. Of course, I missed some of the small details here that it helps better grip for the tooth, but that's okay. In case that I'm so serious about that, I can use this thing and it's far better with. But I think we are going to have less than, yeah, look, we have the problem with the minimum thickness. But we can do it right here and right here. And now when this is a little bit better. Of course, it's not comparable to the first result, but it's almost good. Okay. Now I have the good contacts and I have perfect results. Awesome. Actually, I can adapt it to pre-op, but I'm not ready to do that because my design is better than that, and I don't like to go for it. Okay, as I told you, we have some kind of different setups for reduction. In this case, I rather prefer to use fascia ridge, and oh, thanks God, this time it was successful. As I showed you sometime, like the video I recorded on single crown, it's not successful, but this time it works. In case that somebody can tell me what's wrong with Exocad that sometimes doesn't let the fascia ridge reduction comes to the point that it should be, I will be grateful please note me or send me some comments that what's wrong with Exocad in that pieces. Okay, so I prefer facial ridge, and I'm so happy with that this time. And I have a freeforming again. I think it looks good. Maybe a little bit less space over here because I'm not happy with food retention over there. And again, we should cut the basal part. Look, my pontic has problem. What's the problem with my pontic? We shouldn't have any concave pieces on my prosthesis, so I rather to remove the concave parts and convex parts, sorry, and put everywhere concave. Sorry, put everywhere convex, not concave. Yeah. Okay, it looks far better. It's too much egg shape. Okay, perfect. Oh my gosh, I don't like this. Look at them, look at them. They are beautiful. And for a bridge, I prefer 12 millimeters rather than 9 millimeters. Okay, but oh my gosh, we have a problem here. It worsens. Let's check whether it worked for us or not. It could be fitted, but now unfortunately we should reduce the size of pontic. It's far good for here, but actually for the molar I don't like this, so I'm going to free. I want to have more right now I have 12 millimeters. Okay, good, but I prefer to reduce it from here. Right now I have almost 12 millimeters. And I don't like the connectors comes to the occlusal surface, so I reduce it from here, but instead I will increase it from here. Right now I have 10 millimeters of connector over here, a little bit more from here, and from here, almost 12 millimeters. Yeah, this is what a professional designer do. You shouldn't be in Exocad limits or other software's limits. You should know how to treat that thing and get the best results. 40 millimeters, perfect, and it looks awesome. Okay. Oh my gosh. We don't have the production blank, so I can't show you what it looks like in case that it be multi-layer zirconia. So we are finalize the results, and you can see how does it look like. Thank you everybody for joining us today and having a good design pieces, a 3 unit with a brilliant final result. And egg-shaped pontic that even make it more beautiful. And stay tuned for our next lessons. Goodbye and have a good day.